Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the test server for Rainbow Six Siege on console. This special server lets you preview new content like operators, maps, and game modes before they officially launch. It's a fantastic way to get a head start and help improve the game. We'll cover everything from checking eligibility to downloading and launching the test server, ensuring you can easily participate in future testing phases. To access the test server, you first need to own the complete version of Rainbow Six Siege on your PlayStation or Xbox console. The test server isn't always online. Ubisoft announces specific availability windows, which usually last for several days or even a week. Make sure you have ample storage space, as the test server client can be quite large, often requiring around 80 gigabytes of free disk space. Once the test server is live, head to your console's digital store, like the PlayStation Store or Xbox Store. Use the search function to look for Rainbow Six Siege Test Server, or sometimes R6 is TTS. You'll find a separate application to download, distinct from your main game. Initiate the download, which can be quite large, often exceeding 70 gigabytes, and be patient as it completes. Playing on the test server offers a unique chance to experience upcoming content and directly influence the game's development. Remember to report any bugs or issues you find through the official channels. Your feedback is crucial. Keep in mind that any progress, like renown or operator unlocks, made on the test server will not carry over to your main game. Enjoy being among the first to try new features.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.